Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to allow your website visitors to submit their own answers in polls on your WordPress site. This little tweak can boost engagement and make your polls much more interactive. Let's dive in. Access your site first. Open your browser and head to your WordPress homepage. Click the login link at the top right corner and you'll be ready to sign in. Sign in with Google Next. Choose Continue with Google and select the account that manages your site. This will get you straight into your WordPress dashboard without any hassle. Enter the feedback area. Once inside, locate the feedback menu in your admin dashboard. This is where all your polls live. Click on the crowd signal option. That's a tool we'll use to make the magic happen. Open Settings. In your crowd signal dashboard, click your account avatar in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you control all your poll preferences. Enable Other Answers. Now, look for the toggle labeled Allow Other Answers or something similar. Flip it on. This lets your visitors write their own responses instead of being limited to your predefined options. Save changes. Finally, don't forget to hit the Save Options button to apply your changes instantly. And that's it. Your poll is now ready to accept freeform answers. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to make your WordPress polls more interactive and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite poll tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.